Alrighty, Michael, here's your 427 small block Ford. Get a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Obviously, it's got the aluminum Shelby block, really nice piece. Borla. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X MAX. Got the March front end on it. Make sure your alternator functions for you. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It is a rear sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 457 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 546, peak horsepower 587, so runs really good, rated at 575. It's got a new head and board on it, and it's got a front end on it, so everything's great. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff, so highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up if you need any information, so hold on to that. You flip it over, view our code, basic hover over that, click on it, take you to our site, some more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this. It will definitely help your installation. Got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.